Hello, friends. Today we will discuss brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Brainstorming is a group creativity technique used to generate ideas and solve problems. It was developed by Alex Osborne in 1940s. The goal is to come up with as many ideas as possible in a short period, encouraging free thinking and creativity. Purpose of brainstorming is to solve problems creatively, generate a wide range of ideas, encourage team participation, break away from conventional thinking. So, steps of brainstorming are: first, define the problem clearly. Start with a clear, focused question or problem. So, for example, we can say that we can put questions before the students for brainstorming like this: how can we increase attendance in school? Then we set the rules. The rules are like this: no criticism or judgment of ideas. Whatever ideas comes from a student side, that can be considered. Encourage wide and creative suggestions. All type of suggestions should be encouraged. Build on others' ideas. Aim for quantity. First, we take the quantities, as many ideas as students come with, and then we will check the quality. Generate, everyone shares their ideas and facilitator or teacher notes them down. No idea is too silly or too impractical at this point. All ideas are taken into consideration. Evaluate and refine after the session. Review the list and discuss which ideas are most promising. Then combine, refine, or expand ideas to form workable solutions. So we can take, or we can understand with an example. So problem is improving the students' attendance. So school wants to brainstorm the ways to improve students' attendance. First problem will be defined. It will be the first stage. So problem is we want to find ways to encourage students to attend the school more regularly. Then comes step 2. Set the ground rules. Ground rules are that everyone can speak, all ideas are welcome, no interrupting, no criticism, encourage creativity. Creativity means all new ideas are encouraged. Step 3, start generating ideas. Suppose teacher says give a certificate for students with perfect attendance. Then student comes with the idea, create a leaderboard showing which class has the best attendance. Then second student says provide free snacks or breakfast for students who arrive early. Then student says invite local celebrities to give talks or surprise visits. Then student D will say let students earn points that they can exchange for small rewards. Then step 4 comes. So all ideas will be evaluated. Now the team reviews all ideas. Some are selected for testing. Some ideas are taken. So start with a class attendance leaderboard. Run a pilot program for breakfast. Plan a reward system with small prizes for monthly perfect attendance. So, brainstorming has certain benefits. It involves everyone in the problem solving. It sparks creativity and innovation. It builds team spirit and cooperation. It can lead to unexpected and effective solutions. So, these are the benefits, and all ideas are being considered as important. Thank you.